guys, this is Future Boy and welcome to our HTML tutorials. Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you and I will teach you tags. I know in previous video I will also teach you what is tags in previous video, but in this video I will briefly introduce H1 tags to H6 tags. Okay, so this is very important tags. H1 tags to H6 tags is very important. This is very used in website, very fully used in website. So you want to create website and other things, so you know all briefly know about H1 to H6 tags. Okay, so let's go. What is this one tags to H6 tags and how to write and all that stuff. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so here's my Sublime text editor. This is my Sublime text editor. I am opening, and here in previous video I will show you H1 tags. Please subscribe our channel too. So I open my start where I learning. Okay, see this is title Future Boy and please subscribe our channel. Like, okay, please subscribe our channel H1 tag. So all things here this is coding, all coding. We don't know about this type of these things or what is this and what is coding. Just go and see my previous video. I'll explain all things. Okay, so what is H1 to H6 tag? So briefly I'm cut all things and I am I am introducing starting. So firstly I am taking a HTML and I am close all things I am saying about why I will close this all tags and why I open this tag, all things. Okay, so don't worry about this type of things. I am already explain all things. Okay, so go on to this video and see my video. So I am taking here I am and give the name of title Future Boy, and here I am taking a body part because you write anything in showing a display in website, so you write in body part. Okay, I am giving it H1 tag. Firstly I am giving H1 tags. See how H1 tags look like. Okay, so I am giving H1 tags and now I am right here please SUS subscribe. Okay, I am giving it please subscribe our channel H1 tag. Okay, so you see this is H1 tag. Okay, this is H1 tag. What H1 tag is do, take an example like your website, your website. Okay, and you want to give a post, any type of post, like how to download a game. Okay, so firstly you type how to download a games in blog, and you want to show a big words. I want to say this is heading, man, this is head, because this is I am introducing, this is how to download a game. So this is H1 tags. Okay, so ये जो है यही हम प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. ओके, सो लाइक हम चाहते हैं कि अरे भाई ये मेरा जो वर्ड है हाउ टू डाउनलोड ए गेम, ये मुझे बड़ा चाहिए, मुझे ये हेड चाहिए क्योंकि यही मेरा हेडिंग है. ओके, सो आप H1 टैग लिख सकते हो उसके बारे में. H1 टैग. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज H2 टैग? सो मैं यहाँ पर H2 टैग लेता हूँ, H2 टैग्स, और मैं यहाँ क्लोज करता हूँ H2 टैग्स को भी, और मैं यहाँ से यही वर्ड कॉपी करता हूँ और यहाँ पेस्ट करता हूँ. ओके, कंट्रोल प्लस इसे सेव करता हूँ एंड हियर. तो उससे लिटिल बिट मोर स्मॉल हमें लिखना है, लाइक माइनर वर्ड लिखना है या फिर सब हेडिंग लिखना है, तो उसके लिए हम H2 वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं सब हेडिंग के लिए. ओके, हम सब हेडिंग के लिए H2 टैग्स, लाइक आपने हाउ टू डाउनलोड ए गेम्स लिख लिया, उसके बाद आप लिखना चाहते हैं कि like who are you, and in this video what you will do, in this blog what you will do, then you will use a H2 tags. Okay, so this is, and now I will take H3 tags. Okay, H2 tags and come and H3 tags. So H3 tags, why we will use, because we create a post then we all words we will write in st tag. So refresh it and you will see this. Please subscribe our channel. Likely you go on any website and then see you will this type of words, and also very small. So uh, in this type of word he will write in st tags. Now I will show you is for tags. So this is S4 tags, and now control plus C, and now you see this is like going to down 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 down. You create all things. Okay, you create which type of post. There are many fonts in H1 to S6 tags. Okay, so I am going to last two tags. So this is S5 tags and control, and as well I will write here S6 tags. Okay, S6 tags, and okay, and okay. So see this. Now I'll saving this and replace it. You see this, all things. This is S6 tags. This is very small. This is S5 tags. This is also small. Is H4 tags. Like S3 tags, S2 tags, S1 tags. Okay, so this is all the stuff. So this is H1 to S6 tags. So I hope guys you like this tutorial, enjoy this tutorial, like this video. So in coming video I will show you how to integrate and how to place a image in their display and website. Okay, and how to change the background of this word. Okay, how to background change, and how to this word is going on change that. Okay, so this type of tutorials is coming in HTML tutorials incoming. So you want to know all, and I want to thanks for watching guys. Any problem please comment. We reply fast as possible. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day.